If you're serious about generative AI, training custom LoRAs, fine-tuning massive models, or running high-res video workflows, you know the hardware required is brutal. We're talking A100s, H100s. But look at the price for a critical piece of hardware like the A100 on traditional cloud hosts. $3, $4, even more per hour. That's simply not sustainable for a personal project or a startup running experiments. This is the barrier that prevents creators from reaching their full potential. You end up paying for overhead you don't need, or your credit card takes a painful hit. The solution is RunPod. This platform is built specifically for AI and deep learning, cutting out the fat to give you raw GPU power for far less. Let's find that same A100. Look at the price difference. We are talking about rates that are often 2, 3, or 4 times cheaper than the competition. RunPod provides the same cutting-edge hardware, the H100, the RTX 4090, the A100, at a fraction of the cost, making powerful custom AI model training instantly accessible. Now, let's see how simple it is to set up a powerful machine specifically for LoRA training, AI art generation, or whatever high-VRAM task you need. We select our high-end GPU, say the A100, and hit deploy. The biggest time saver is the templates. Instead of spending hours configuring drivers and frameworks, RunPod offers pre-configured environments for PyTorch, Stable Diffusion, and ComfyUI. We select the template, and we're ready to go. For training, we need persistent storage for our datasets and output models. A quick adjustment here, and our data is safe, even when we stop the machine to save money. That's it. Click Deploy, and in moments, you have a fully provisioned high-end GPU cloud server, ready for any complex AI task you can throw at it. No complexity, just pure power. Your machine is running. Now, we connect. You get full access via Terminal, Jupyter Lab, or a direct web interface depending on the template you chose. Also, you can create basically anything you want. There are literally hundreds of templates, from 1.2.2 for creating custom AI influencers, video generations, and photo creation. As you can see here, you can select the template you want. ComfyUI for this example, which runs perfectly on RunPod. Let us not forget the blazing download speeds going 300 or even higher per second. After you select your template, you click Deploy, configure the port for ComfyUI, set it at 8881 and your storage volume. That's it. After a few moments, your pod will be ready, and you can access the terminal in your workspace to start downloading your custom LoRAs or models and start generating. Whether you are kicking off a complex training script, fine-tuning models using efficient libraries like NanoBind, or running a massive ComfyUI workflow, you have the full power of a cloud GPU farm at your fingertips. You pay for the time you use. When you're done training your LoRA or generating your content, you simply terminate the pod. That's flexible, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Stop paying competitor prices and start creating faster and cheaper today. The fastest way to get started and claim your access is using my link below. Click the first link in the description right now. When you sign up and load just $10, you instantly get a free credit bonus between $5 and $500. Don't let hardware limit your creativity. Use RunPod, claim your bonus credits, and build your custom AI future.